Okay, now before we start with the exercises here, what do you mean by past tense? There are different tenses, right? Future tense, present tense, and past tense. What do you mean by past tense? How do you know that it is past tense?
Which is already over, ma'am.
Very good. It tells us that an action has been done previously. Okay, probably few minutes back, few hours back, or yesterday, or last week, or last year. Okay, those words are called as past tense. Okay, in past tense, you have two different types of form. Okay, one is the simple past tense of regular verbs. Okay, for these verbs, you will just add a D or you will add a ed. Okay, when you add just a D or an ed, those verbs are called as regular verbs. Okay, for example, talk. What is the past tense of talk here?
Ma'am, what page number, ma'am?
Page number 49. Okay, what is the past tense?
Good morning, ma'am.
Past tense of
Talking, ma'am. Finish talking.
ed. Okay, talk. Walk, walk. Okay.
Spoken.
Okay, it is walk.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Which book we should write, ma'am?
Grammar. Don't write anything. You just listen. Okay, you have to take your grammar book and turn your book to page number 49. Do not write anything till I tell you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so there are two different types of verbs here. One is regular verbs and the other one is irregular verbs. Okay, for regular verbs, you're just going to add a D or an ED to the verb here. Okay, for example, the words can be cook, clean. For all these, you're just going to add an ED to it. But for irregular verbs, the verb completely changes when you have to change the verb to its past tense form. Okay, for example, write. What is the past tense of write?
Don't write.
What is the past tense of write?
Wrote.
Wrote. Yes, past tense of write is... Okay, past tense of write is... Okay, past tense of write is wrote. Past tense of see? What is the past tense of see?
Saw, ma'am.
Very good. Saw. Okay, so if you see here in these... Okay, in these words, you're not adding just a D or an ED, but instead the word changes completely. The spelling of the word changes completely. Okay, so such verbs are called as irregular verbs. Okay, so remember how many types of verbs are there here? Depending on the past tense of that particular verb, you can classify them into two forms. One is regular and the other one is irregular. Regular verbs, you're just going to add a D or an ED to change that into past tense form. While for irregular verbs, the word completely changes. The spelling of the verb completely changes when you change them to the past tense form. Okay. Now let us start working the exercise here. Page number 49, worksheet 1. Okay, turn your book, take your grammar book, turn your book to page number 49. Okay, worksheet 1. Okay, now first one, underline the verbs in the following. You all know what are verbs. Verbs are nothing but doing words or action words. Anything that shows an action is called as a verb. Okay, you need to underline the verbs that is given in the sentence here. First one, the men walk to the fields. Which is the verb here?
Walk.
Very good. Underline the word walk.
Walk, ma'am.
Yes, underline the word.
Walk is spelling kya?
Okay, underline the word walk. W-A-L. Just need to underline it. Okay. Second one, they started their work.
Started. ma'am.
Yes. Underline the word started. Okay, now children who are making noise in the class, simply unmuting yourself and talking there, I'll remove you from the class. Okay, please, I want even you people to respond back when I ask you the questions. I'm not going to mute remove the permission for you all to unmute yourself. Okay, I want you to respond. But if you're going to keep on talking behind or talking to someone and unmuting, you're just disturbing the class. Okay, kindly do not do that. Okay, now in the second sentence, they started their work. The verb here is started. Okay, underline the word started. Next, third one, they work from morning to evening. Okay, very good. Underline the word. Okay, underline the word work. W-O-R-K-E. Underline the word work.
Ma'am, I finished 6, ma'am.
Very good. If you finish till 6, very good. We'll give time for the others. The ones who are logging in late, please take your grammar books and turn your book to page number 49. Okay. Next, fourth one, they plowed the fields. So which is the verb here? Plow. Okay, P-L-O-U-G-H-E-D. Plowed. Underline the word plowed. Okay. Next, fifth one. Fifth one, they sowed the seeds. Sowed. It is sowed. Okay. Underline the word S-O-W-E-D. Sowed. Underline the word S-O-W-E-D. Sowed. Next, sixth one, they look after their plants. Looked. Okay. L-O-O-K. Looked. Yes, very good. Looked is the verb there. Okay. So now these verbs that you have underlined. Okay. If you see, the word has just been added with an ed to it in the end. Right? Walk.
Yes, ma'am.
Started. Work. Work. Plow. Plowed. Sow. Sowed. And look. Look. Right? You've just added an e to it. So these verbs are called as, what verbs are these?
Regular words, ma'am.
Very good, Harshavardhan. They are called as regular verbs. Okay? Yes. Okay, now we will read here. Okay? All the verbs that you have highlighted are in the simple past and the verbs are regular verbs. Okay? Remember, for regular verbs, you will just be adding a D or an ED to change the form into simple past tense. Okay? Now, fun to know and easy to understand. You form the simple past tense of regular verbs by adding ed. Okay? Talk, clean, cook are some examples of regular verbs. They form their simple past tense by adding ed. If you see here, they've given you talk, clean, and cook. Okay? For all these words, you're just adding an ed to it. Okay, that is why they are called as regular verbs. Okay, now next exercise, B part. Now underline the verbs in the following sentences. Okay, shall I erase the board? Anyone who's still not finished this?
Finished, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Very good. Now next exercise. First one, wrote neatly. Which is the verb here?
Right, ma'am. Right.
Is the word given as right over there? The sentence.
Wrote, ma'am.
Very good. It is
Wrote, ma'am. Wrote.
okay. Second.
Wrote.
drew the
Underline, ma'am.
yes, just underline the word. Okay, second one, Naaman drew the picture of a rainbow.
Drew, ma'am.
Very good. It is
Drew.
D-R-E.
Drew.
Just underline the word. Next, third one, the women drank the hot tea and ate some biscuits. In this sentence, you have two words here. Can you tell me
Yes.
what?
Eight, ma'am.
Second.
Drank and ate. Warm and drank, ma'am.
Okay, next one.
Second.
Okay, now children, kindly do not unmute. I think there's a lot of noise behind there. Okay.
Second one, ma'am.
Second one is drew, D-R-E-W. Okay, next fourth one, the postman.
Ma'am.
Yes.
What is third one, ma'am?
Third one, you have two verbs there. One word is drank and the other word is ate. Okay, both the words you have to underline. Okay, next fourth one, the postman.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Tell the third one spelling, ma'am.
You needn't have to write anything. You just need to underline the word. Underline drank, D-R-A-N-K, drank. And then in the same sentence, you also have the word ate, A-T-E, ate. Okay, you have to underline them. Please do not write. You do not have any blank over there. Okay, you just need to underline that. Okay, next fourth one, the postman caught the man who stole his bag. Even in this, you have two verbs. Which are they?
Caught and stole.
Very good.
Postman and stole, ma'am.
Stole. Caught and stole. Underline both the words. Next, fifth one, grandmother always spoke softly. Underline the word. Okay, underline the word. Okay, next. Sixth sentence, the little girl fell down from the seesaw. Which is the verb here? Fell. Very good. Yes. Okay, now for these words, if you see, this is the past tense of which word, children?
Fell, ma'am.
Yes, fell is the sixth one. Okay, now we come back to the first word that you have underlined. The first word you have underlined is wrote. Okay, the main verb here is write. Okay, what is the past tense of write? It is wrote. Okay, second one, drew. Actually, draw. The past tense of draw is.
Should we write it, ma'am?
Don't write. I'm just explaining to you how you're going to differentiate between regular verbs and irregular verbs. Okay. Then next one, drank and ate. It is drink and eat. Okay. Next is caught and stole, catch and steal. Next one, spoke is speak and fell is fall. Okay. The verbs are. Now you see here. You are changing the entire, you're changing the spelling of the entire word completely. Okay, so you're not just adding a E or a ED, I'm sorry, D or an ED to it. The word completely changes from the main verb when you change it to the past tense form. So these words are called as irregular verbs. Okay, did you all understand?
Yes, ma'am, understand.
Yes, now turn your book to the next page, page number 50. Okay, turn your book to the next page, page number 50. Okay, all the verbs that you have highlighted are irregular verbs. Okay, all the words that you have underlined are or highlighted are irregular verbs and they are in the simple past tense. The verbs that are not formed by adding D or ED but change their form completely in the simple past tense are called as irregular verbs. Okay, speak, chose, go, fall, eat are some examples of irregular verbs. They change their form completely in the simple past tense. Okay, if you see, the past tense of speak becomes spoke, choose becomes chose, go becomes went, fall becomes fell, and eat becomes ate. Okay, so it changes its form completely. Okay, that is why they are called as irregular verbs. Okay, now next worksheet number 2. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the verbs given in brackets. Okay, you have the verb given in the bracket. You have to change it to simple past tense accordingly. Okay, first one, Naman dash a letter to his friend. Right?
Road.
Good. Yes. First word, write down W-R-O-T-E.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Leo.
What page number, ma'am?
Page number 50.
Page number.
Okay, page number 50. Worksheet 2. The first one, Naman wrote a letter to his friend. Write down in the blank there. W-R-O-T-E. Okay. Next, second one, the maid washed the vessels. The maid
Washed.
write down W-A-S-H. H-E-D. Wash. Now next, third one. Deepa dash.
Filling, ma'am. Second one.
Spoke. Very good. Yes. The word is speak. The past tense of speak is spoke. Deepa spoke. Write down S-P-O-K-E. Spoke. S-P-O-K-E. Spoke.
Excuse me,
Yes, Leo?
ma'am. What third one spelling, ma'am?
S-P-O-K-E. Spoke. Okay, next, fourth one. I dash potato sandwiches for breakfast.
Spelling, ma'am.
Write down A-T-E.
Eight.
A-T-E. Okay, A-T-E. Eight. Next, fifth one. Father dash a cup of coffee before he dash to office. So drink.
A cup of coffee before he go to the office.
Before he
Given to the officer.
second word is went. W-E-N-T. Went.
What is spelling, ma'am?
Spelling of drank is D-R-A-N-K. And spelling of went is...
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ashwita?
You will send it in the group, ma'am.
Yes, I will send it to you in the group as well. Okay. Drank, D-R-A-N-K, drank. And the next word is went, W-E-N-T. Okay, next sixth one. We dash the puppy before it dash. Okay, catch. What is the past tense of catch?
Yes,
very good.
Ma'am.
Got, ma'am. Got.
Ma'am. Got, ma'am.
Write down.
Got.
A-U. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. We caught the puppy before it.
Escaped, ma'am.
Very good.
Next one spelling what, ma'am?
E-S.
Sixth one.
Sixth one I'm writing. First
spelling,
word
ma'am.
is caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. And the second word is escape. E-S-C-A-P-E-D.
Ma'am, sixth one spelling, ma'am.
C-A-U. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. And the second word is escape. E-S-C-A-P-E-D. Escape. Okay. Next one. The cat dash on the wall and dash at us. What is the past tense of sit?
Sat.
Sat.
Look. Sat and
Second one is look. L-O-O-K-E-D. Look. Okay. First word is sat.
escape.
Okay. S-A-T. Sat. And the second word is looked. L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked at us. Okay. Next, eighth one. We dash the pictures in the chart. We
Stick.
not stick.
Stick, ma'am.
Not stick. Okay. We
Stick.
stuck.
Ma'am.
Okay. The word is stuck. Write down S-T-U-C-K. Stuck. We stuck the pictures in the chart. Okay. It's an irregular.
Ma'am, I finished everything, ma'am.
Okay. It's an irregular verb. S-T-U-C-K.
Ma'am,
Yes, Shakti.
what is the seventh one, ma'am?
Seventh one is sat and looked. Okay. S-A-T. Sat.
Okay.
L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked. Okay.
Climb.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Shakti.
Eighth one, ma'am.
Eighth one is
Alright.
stuck. The past tense of stick is stuck. S-T-U-C-K. Stuck.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, next ninth one. The boys dash up the hill quickly. The boys
Climbed.
very good. Climb.
Climbed, ma'am.
C-M-E-D. Climb.
Thanks, ma'am.
C-L-I-M-B-E-D. Climbed the hill. I'm sorry, climbed up the hill quickly. Okay, next, the last one. The train dash at 8 o'clock. The train
Arrived, ma'am.
regular verb, we just
Off, ma'am.
add it. Write down A-R-R-I-V-E-D. Arrived. Okay, the train arrived at 8 o'clock.
Ma'am, are I filling what, ma'am?
A-R-R-I-V-E-D. Okay, A-R-R-I-V-E-D. Okay, so in today's class, what did you learn? You learned the simple past tense form of two different types of verbs. Which are they? One is
Past tense.
regular verb and the other is irregular verb. Okay. What is the difference between regular verbs and irregular verbs? In regular verbs, you just need to add a D or an ED to it to change it to the regular, to change it to the simple past tense form. For example, you have wash, washed, climb, climbed, arrive, arrived. Okay, here you're just going to, in this case, you just added a D. While in these two, you have added only and ed to change to its simple past tense. Okay. But for irregular verbs, remember the word completely changes in order to change to the past tense form. For example, write becomes wrote, stick becomes stuck, and then speak becomes spoke, eat becomes ate, drink becomes drank, go becomes went, okay, and then catch becomes caught, teach will become taught, okay. So all these are called as irregular verbs. Okay, so did you all understand what we did in today's class, children? Do you all have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.